Tired of hunting for the Portfolio Bio widget in Elementor only to hit a locked upgrade screen? Activate Portfolio Bio and unlock dozens more pro features in under 2 minutes. First, edit your homepage with Elementor, click the highlight, then open Link in Bio and Portfolio Bio. Finally, activate the widget and upgrade to unlock all pro features. To start, go to Edit Your Homepage with Elementor. That's where all the magic happens. Then, click on the highlighted element on the page to select it. Next, click on Link in Bio to bring up that set of options. Now choose Portfolio Bio from the available choices. And click the button that says Use Portfolio Bio widget and dozens more pro features to load it in. After that, hit Upgrade Now to take the next step. Click Upgrade Now one more time to wrap it up, and that's all there is to it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.